Hi, my name is Bridget, and this is my 15112 term project. Welcome to SQUIRCLE. SQUIRCLE is a fun and easy way to learn how to program. Put together blocks of code and watch your figures move before your eyes. So now that we have a basic structure set up, we're going to add some more figures and go into creating our chase game. So we have our enemy here in red, food in green, and hero in blue. So at the beginning of the loop forever, we're going to use a move towards block to make the enemy chase the hero. So we're going to constantly, so always, every time the loop forever loop runs, move the enemy towards the hero. And then we're going to go into our red conditionals and get the touching figure block. And this block is going to check if the enemy is touching the hero. And if the enemy is touching the hero, we want to change the health by -1. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to move the food randomly around the screen. So we're going to pull the move randomly block and just move the food move the food randomly. And then another, we need to check if the hero, which is you, is touching the food, because that should increase your health. So we're going to take another change variable and change the health by 1. So then the next part of the code is going to be the key press, and that's what allows the user to control the hero figure with the keys. So we'll just do the first one and then load in the code that has the rest. So we'll do it for up. So if the up key is pressed, we want to take our figure and we're going to move, just like we did at the very beginning, move our hero up, we'll say 10 pixels. So we can duplicate this to have it for if down key is pressed, move hero down 10 pixels, if left key is pressed, left 10 pixels, etc. And then finally, so we'll do that later. And then finally at the end, the last thing we want to do is we want to check for the game to be over. So we want to check. The game's over when you die or when you lose all your health. So if the health is less than 0, then we can go and put in a game over block. So right now this game isn't fully functional because we only have the one up key pressed. But we can go over here and load the chase game from before. And this has all the code all the way down. Calls it the score instead of the health, but it's the same game. So then when we go and run it, you can use the keys. You can see that the hero is the blue, and that's what's being controlled by the keys, the arrow keys. The red enemy is always chasing the hero. And then if you're to go over and get points, get the food, your score increases. And if you get caught by the enemy, oh no, your score decreases. So that's the gist of the game. This is just one thing that you can do with SQUIRCLE. There's many possibilities. The options are really endless, just what you can do combining different code blocks. You can make art things that look really pretty, or interactive games like this. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.